Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone has Face ID and the latest iOS. This ensures the APIs work. Next, install shortcuts and download the specific shortcut or automation that replaces the face recognition animation, because Apple doesn't offer a built-in toggle. Once done, grant permissions for shortcuts to run and to access notifications or the lock screen as required. This lets the shortcut display a custom animation when Face ID unlocks, which is the only viable method. You now construct the automation. Create a personal automation triggered by Face ID authentication or by unlocking via the lock screen. Add actions that produce the visual effect you want. For example, show a custom image, play a short looping video, or display a notification with an image and text. Make sure to disable Ask before running if you want it automatic. Adjust timing and repeat behavior so the animation feels seamless, because precise sequencing dictates how natural the effect appears. Finish by testing the automation on the lock screen several times and refine asset sizes and timing until the animation looks smooth. Once satisfied, lock the phone and trigger Face ID to confirm the sequence runs without prompts. This ensures Ask before running is off and permissions persist. If things go wrong, revoke and regrant permissions, recreate the automation, or switch to a different trigger, such as opening a specific app. These steps resolve the common permission and timing conflicts that break the effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.